Hey, it's me again. In this video, we're going to talk about an amazing herb called basil. Most people use this to flavor their food, which is a great idea, but it has some amazing health benefits that I want to cover. Number one, it's loaded with vitamin K. What is vitamin K? Vitamin K helps clotting. Like, for example, if you bruise easy, you would want to take something high in vitamin K. Number two, it has manganese. Manganese is a trace mineral that's really good for ligaments and tendons. If you're low in manganese, you can have very loose joints. Then we have something called beta-carotene, which is a pre-vitamin A, so only a little bit converts to the active form, but it has other benefits as an anti-inflammatory. For example, for your arteries, the lining of skin in the arteries, it's good for that. Then we have flavonoids, which are a certain type of phytonutrients. Those are plant-based chemicals that have health properties that go beyond just vitamins and minerals. So basil also has this amazing ability to decrease the pathogenic bacteria. So if you're resistant to antibiotics, for example, basil will be something that would help you. And lastly, it's a great anti-inflammatory, good for rheumatoid arthritis and IBS. So I personally grow basil, which is an extremely easy task. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to take a moment out to thank you for your amazing feedback that you guys are giving me. It's just mind-blowing. The successes, the wins. I created a link down below so you can actually type out your full success story. And if you have a before and after with weight loss, that would be awesome. And if you don't have a success with weight but other things, just put an image of yourself and your personal success story. And I would love to read it and also share it with others. So I want to just thank you in advance for doing that, but there's a link down below. Fill it out, and I can't wait to read it.